Welcome back. This is Johnny Clouds here at A1A Vapors, and today we're going to talk about the White Lightning Salt Nic device. Inside the box comes with charger cable, 4 pre-filled pods. Each pod holds 1.8 ml of juice. The flavors that come in the device kit are Aqua Fruit, Mega Fruit, Cafe Latte, and Spearmint Gum. The device has 400 milliamp hour battery, which is nice. It has refillable pods, and now for the start of the show, the White Lightning Salt Nic device. I'll give you a quick look here. So you grab one of these pods here, pop it out of the pack, and this is what the pod looks like, and slide it right in here like this. So let's top off my device here. Just pull this out. I am going to top this off with one of my favorite flavors. This is Peanut Butter Cookie by White Lightning. This is 50 Nic. And you just pull this little rubber gasket out like this. And the holes are actually big enough that you can use an eyedropper in it. So I'm going to demonstrate here. What I like about these pods is they're nice and clear, and you can see right through them. Unlike some devices, they're really dark. And to fill this, top it off. Oop, not down the middle. And then go like this. Make sure you put the rubber gasket back. And plastic mouthpiece. Slide it into your device like so, and so overall, I think the White Lightning device, pretty fantastic little kit. Comes with 4 pre-filled pods, like I said, 1.8 mils. So if you're looking for your first Salt Nic device and you want to try a few different flavors, you know, it comes with 4 pre-filled pods, which are refillable, which are nice. The battery charge in this thing is really good. It's nice that it has a little, like I said, battery indicator. And yeah, man, it's definitely a great starting Nic Salt device kit if you're looking for something quick on the go. You don't want to carry a big mod with you. And yeah, come check it out. White Lightning Salt Nic device here at A1A Vapors. And now for my final thoughts on the White Lightning Salt Nic device. I think this is a fantastic little kit here, being the fact that it comes with 4 flavors, 400 milliamp hour battery. Each pod is refillable, has a nice long charger cable, and you can quick charge it depending on which amp cube you use that you plug the wire into. And yeah, come check them out at A1A Vapors. And I'm Johnny Clouds signing out. Everybody, keep it cloudy.